This is Go Animate Network.
This is not a test.
Attention, Go Animate Network Analog Channel 4 will cease all operations in a few minutes. Thank you for sticking with us for a very long time, but the time has come. Analog signals are not as good for the world as the new digital signals, and is very expensive to operate. If you have cable or satellite, then you are not affected. If you have Go Animate Network on analog cable, then you need to switch as that will be shut down on New Year's Day 2010. Go Animate thanks you for 50 years of service.